At Fifth Axis, our scientists and engineers are revolutionizing American manufacturing. We've developed factory systems so efficient the constraints of geography are a thing of the past. Why buy overseas when you can produce right here in San Diego at the same cost? By automating labor-intensive processes and leveraging our proprietary AI platform, we've more than doubled production efficiency using just 1/3 the labor. And this isn't just theory. Our breakthrough technologies are already powering giants of American industry. Apple, Tesla, Google, General Motors are already utilizing our technology. If you're a large OEM relying on offshore manufacturing to cut costs, it's time to rethink the equation. With Fifth Axis, you can bring critical production back to the US with little to no increase in cost, while gaining unmatched agility, quality control, and supply chain resilience. Why deal with lead times, tariffs, IP risks, and global disruptions when you can make the same parts here at global prices? Join the next wave of smart manufacturing. Let Fifth Axis help you localize production, minimize risk, and future-proof your supply chain without compromising your bottom line.